gonna eat me. Look at him. It's a baby robin. I think. Whoa. The one. I put my finger in there. He almost bit me.
Don't go near him.
You found him over there.
Touch him.
I didn't try to touch him.
We're trying to hunt for worms now. This is the bird that we found this morning at my pool party. It's a baby robin. They're very delicate, and we're trying to look for as many worms as we can. Come on.
Under the ground?
Yeah, that's where they live.
Shut up, I'm done. I'm out.
He's in that hole. There's things making them noises? There's a baby one in there. What happens, he'll come out, he'll crawl up the tree, he'll come out of his shell, and he'll fly away.
Cool. Okay, so that's the baby bird that we found over there behind the tree. It really was right there on the raft which goes to the pool. But we found the baby bird.
Hey, someday we'll see him.